Hello students, in today's class of web technology, I am going to start new language in web tech, that's JavaScript. Till the time I have discussed HTML, DHTML. So JavaScript is remaining. JavaScript can be thought of as an extension of HTML, hypertext markup language. JavaScript was designed to add interactivity in HTML web pages. It is a scripting language developed by Netscape. Okay. So JavaScript basically is an extension of HTML. It is designed to add interactivity in HTML web pages. It is developed by Netscape. It's a company, Netscape. JavaScript can be used for both client-side and server-side applications. Client means web browser, server means web server. JavaScript is a lightweight programming language. Just remember this thing, JavaScript is not a designing language like HTML. JavaScript is a lightweight programming language. Okay, means हल्की प्रोग्रामिंग होती है. JavaScript helps in the creation of HTML pages capable of responding to user events like mouse click, key presses, selection of elements in form. A JavaScript is usually embedded directly in HTML pages. It's a case sensitive language. Just remember, as every programming language, C, C++, Java, JavaScript is also a case sensitive language. Case sensitive means uppercase, lowercase. We will have to follow the particular case. Usually we follow lowercase, means small ABCD. JavaScript was originally developed by Brendan Eich of Netscape company. Okay, JavaScript was developed by Brendan Eich of Netscape company. Just remember the name of person who developed this language. Also the year of development. JavaScript was first introduced in 1995. Okay, just remember the popular dates. 1989 is the date when www came. 1991 is the date when HTML came. JavaScript is the date when 1995 is the date when JavaScript got introduced. Okay, so here is a very famous question to be asked in interview. What is the difference between Java and JavaScript? Okay, Java, just remember, Java is a programming language which follows OOPS. So Java is object oriented language, but JavaScript is a lightweight programming language which is used with HTML to add interactivity in designing in HTML. Okay, so there is a difference between Java and JavaScript. Java is a programming language, JavaScript is a scripting language or lightweight programming. Here are uses of JavaScript. JavaScript gives HTML designers a programming tool. Okay, means JavaScript adds some programming in HTML. JavaScript can put dynamic text in HTML page. It makes simple HTML or static HTML to DHTML, means dynamic HTML. As I discussed, DHTML is the combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and DOM. JavaScript can react to events. JavaScript can read and write HTML documents. JavaScript can be used to validate data. JavaScript can be used to create cookies. Okay, cookies means to get some browser's information. For that, cookies are created to get unauthorized access on someone's web browser. Okay, so JavaScript basically is used to alert the user, to give information to user, also to get respond on some events. Here is a syntax. Just remember the syntax. In angular bracket, script, tag name is script, then attribute type is equal to text slash JavaScript. That's the way to add JavaScript. Script type is equal to text slash JavaScript, angular bracket, then space, script off. So here is a program or example. Write a program to print hello world in JavaScript. So how do we add JavaScript in HTML? Here is a program. HTML on, head on, title. It's your choice to give title, then title of, head on, of, body on. Then script type is equal to text slash JavaScript. Now we have to write hello world, but as in C, C++, Java, we write an output in a particular format. Like in C we used to write printf. So here in JavaScript it is also a programming language. So here to print anything, to give output, document.write is written in small. Okay, it's a case sensitive. So use lowercase letters. Document dot write hello world. Okay, afterwards we can use semicolon, it's optional in JavaScript. Then script of body of HTML. It's a very simple program to print hello world in JavaScript. Script type is equal to text like JavaScript document dot write hello world. Here is a note, in every programming language like C, C++, Java, each programming statement ends with a semicolon, but in Java semicolon is optional. Okay, JavaScript, but in JavaScript just clear this, add here JavaScript, not Java, JavaScript. Semicolon is optional. So to add JavaScript into an HTML page, we use the script tag. In angular bracket, we used to write script. The word document.write is a standard JavaScript command for writing output to a web page. Okay, so to print anything using JavaScript, we used to write the word document.write in lowercase. So here is the syntax, meaning. I have discussed meaning of JavaScript, uses of JavaScript, syntax, and example of JavaScript. So this program you can make in your programming file. In question number 15, you can write this same program and you can run easily. It will be saved with extension .html or .html because it is written in HTML. So it is basically an internal JavaScript. We can also write external JavaScript that I will discuss in another video. Thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in another video. So it's very important for question number 15 of your program. Just go through it, run it. Okay.